doing here? Get off now!
This is my day. You should get off.
Oh my god! Imagine a messy little brat telling us to get off of your jet.
You jet? You're nothing but a spoiled brat. You're fucking crazy. Get off now!
Is that Miranda? The show-off who used to steal your spotlight?
That's my mom's picture. Give it back.
No wonder you're that bitch's little daughter. Take your disgusting picture and get off now!
I don't want to listen to you.
Like mother, like daughter, little bitches!
God, I hate the sound of crying children. It gives me a headache.
You wanna keep crying? Come on. Louder.
Mommy, Daddy,
Shut up! Your mommy doesn't want you anymore.
With a mom like that, her dad's either ugly as fuck or literally stupid. Ew!
Oh my god, poor thing.
How dare you bite me! Ah! Stop it!
Must have left my new dress on the jet. No, don't worry, sweetie. Mommy's gonna go have a look on the jet tomorrow, okay?
By the way, guys, do you want to see something really cute?
Oh my god, Jenny! Is this your husband's private jet card? It's worth tens of millions. Andre must love you.
I mean, yeah, he said I can use it whenever I want and I get to get everything.
Oh my god, so you're gonna be like the first lady of the private jet airline groupie thingy. Mrs. Shaw.
Oh,
Mrs. Shaw.
A toast to the future first lady.
To the first lady.
welcome, miss.
Sweetie, Mommy just has to take this. Can you wait a moment? Do not touch anything. Yes, go ahead. Uh-huh. Okay. Oh! This seems to be my private jet card.
Are you still there?
Yeah, sorry, go ahead.
Peasants. Honey bear!
Have you arrived at the airport yet, babe?
Yeah, we're already here. But Andre, I miss you so much. When are you gonna get here?
La 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 la.
Oh my god, why is there kids in the VIP lounge? So annoying.
Just kick her out. You're the VIP here, okay?
Mommy, can I go to the jet to get my dolly first? I miss her.
You annoying little brat! You need to be taught a lesson. Shut up while I talk to my husband, okay? Apologize to me. Do you hear me? Huh? Huh? Huh?
Always so mean, always bothering everyone.
I think I need to teach you how to be a polite little girl. Oh no, you're crying. You still want to talk back to me?
Chill. You're gonna ruin our vibe for a trip to Milan, darling.
Stella, you okay?
I want to go to the jet to get my doll.
Well, let's get her then, okay? Okay. Welcome aboard.
Flight F001A, we're boarding.
I'm sorry, ma'am, but your flight information is not in the system.
Okay. My husband is Andre Charles. He is the president of your airline, and he owns the jet. So there can't be an error. If you're gonna ruin our trip, I'm gonna have both of you fired.
Ma'am, you need to pass the facial recognition or swipe the card to the board.
I'm sorry, ma'am. There's probably a problem with the system. Welcome aboard.
Let me show you guys my private jet.
Oh my god! I've never been in a private jet before!
I feel like a somebody now. Thanks, Jenny.
You're welcome. And my husband will fly the jet later today. So enjoy being rich. What the hell? What are you doing here? Get off now!
Hey, babe. Oh, I missed you. Mwah, look at that crown. Looks like last year's auction's final item.
Yeah, I heard it's worth more than a private jet. President Frank really dotes on her daughter.
I've been dreaming of you these days.
I missed you so much.
Babe, if you're tired, let me take your place at the industry summit.
You're too sweet. But I have decided to spend my time with Bella and you for the rest of the month.
Let me keep it. Your lovely decorations inside need polishing. I can't mess them up.
I am so lucky to have married you.
Come on.
Honey Bear, my friends say that I'm bragging.
Oh.
Well, they don't believe that my husband is the president of an airlines group. You know, tomorrow we're going to Europe and it would be so nice if we could have your private jet for it. You know, that would prove them wrong.
Miranda loves me so much that she never doubts me. And she's got no plans lately. She wouldn't find out if I let Jennifer use her jet.
Go ahead. Show them.
Oh my god, Honey Bear, you're the best!
Oh, what is this? Oh my God, is this the newest Chanel collection? I've only seen it in magazines. Oh my God, Andre, is this for me?
Miranda has so many dresses, she won't even notice if one's missing.
If you like it, it's yours.
God, you're the best.
Mommy,
Are you okay? Did they hurt you?
they hit me.
That is not okay.
Excuse me, who the hell are you? And how dare you push me? Hello? Miranda? I thought you had abandoned your daughter.
Did you hit my daughter?
She was being annoying, so I had to teach her a lesson. So, you're welcome. You just hit me?
Yeah, I did.
How dare you? Do you know who Jennifer is now?
Look, I really don't care. All I care is that you bullied my daughter, and I will not let that go.
Fine. I know you're here for money, so take these $10,000, and while I'm being nice, you get out of my plane, okay?
I don't want your money.
Based on your history with men, that's the other one.
You haven't changed at all in 10 years. Back in college, you used to sleep with old men to get their money, and now you have your little daughter do that for you?
Oh my God. That little brat must be one of the kids of her sugar daddies. How tacky.
Look, you'd better just take the money and get out. Jennifer's husband won't let you go.
What, your husband's some kind of big shot, is he?
Honey, her husband owns this plane.
What?
Miranda, girlfriend, let me give you a little piece of advice for free. Her husband is the president of Frank Airlines. So I'd be really careful how you talk to Jennifer. Otherwise, she's going to put you on the blacklist.
The president. What's his name?
Andre Charles.
Your husband is Andre Charles? The captain of Frank Airlines?
Oh, you know him?
Now, Jennifer, you forget that Frank Airlines is a globally renowned airline company, and Andre just happens to be the hottest, richest, most successful captain in the entire world. Of course, everybody knows Andre.
Impossible. Andre wouldn't cheat on me. There must be some kind of misunderstanding.
Leave. Now. Or better yet, Jennifer, just make a call, and you'll never get into the airport again.
You know, I didn't want to cause a scene before my marriage, but you're kind of making me cause a scene.
Oh, Miranda, please don't embarrass yourself, honey. I mean, just look at how Jennifer's dressed. You see this dress? It's the latest from Chanel. It was a gift from Andre. Oh, poor Miranda. I forget. She's probably never even seen a dress like this on television, let alone in person.
Must have left my new dress on the jet. Is this my dress?
See, she puts her daughter in plastic.
Wait.
That can't be the illegitimate kid you had with some sugar daddy, right? And you both got dumped?
Oh my God, no wonder they can't be seen in public wearing all that cheap, tacky junk like that. Totally replaceable. Unlike Jennifer, whose legitimate husband got her a private jet.
I'll give you one last chance before my husband gets here. Take your child and get out of my jet right now.
Let me keep it. Lovely decorations inside need polishing. I can't mess them up.
Give my jet and my dress to your mistress? Andre, you're really something. This is my private jet. You're the ones who should fuck off. You're the ones who should fuck off.
Oh my God!
Your jet? Oh, sweetie, that's hilarious. I mean, look at your tacky clothes. How would you even be able to afford all this, huh?
Oh, Miranda. Just like college, always trying to steal from Jennifer. Now you're trying to steal her husband? Shameless. This jet was a gift for Jennifer.
Disgust.
Andre's my...
Jennifer, Andre Charles is your husband, right?
Yeah.
Call him then, or I won't believe it.
How dare you question me?
What? Afraid?
Come on, afraid. Me? Police. One call from me and things will get ugly real quick, okay?
Go ahead, please.
Babe, what's up? We're taking off in half an hour. I'm on my way.
Honey bear! I was bullied by this crazy woman. Well, this crazy lady and her kid came to my plane, okay? And they pretended like it's theirs. You have to teach them a lesson.
What? How dare she disrespect my babe? Put her on the phone. Hey, put her on the phone.
It really is Andre's voice.
Ma'am, I don't care who you are, but please leave my plane immediately. Jennifer is my beloved, and this jet and special itinerary was prepared for her. If you refuse to leave, as the president and captain, I have the authority to remove you and take coercive measures against passengers interfering with this flight.
How ridiculous. Andre, I helped you get into Frank Group, put you on the board, and let you use this jet. I gave you everything, yet you used it to make your mistress happy.
See? If you don't fuck off right now, my husband will call the police.
Yeah, well, your husband is nothing